Hey guys, we are back for another unbagging and review. Let's check this out. Hey everyone, so we are approaching the holidays pretty fast. It's about 3 weeks away, Christmas, and I decided I wanted to introduce my nephew and niece to Playmobil. So I went on the Playmobil.com site and decided to order a few Playmobil blind bags. And in my mind, in my excitement over the idea, I actually thought I was ordering Playmobil figure series 22. And then when I got the box, I was somewhat disappointed that I got series 21. But I'm actually okay with it because there are still a few of the boys figures that I don't have. And these are the two of those three that I don't have. We're going to go ahead and unbag these. Now, after some major gropage, was it this one? Yeah. I really couldn't tell who this was. And I think it's this one. I couldn't feel the Hershey Kiss-esque shaped hat or helmet, really. I don't know. This might not be him. I think it's him, and I actually hope it's him. But we're going to open him up last. This one, I'm pretty certain I don't have. And my hunch is that it's the rugby player. So we're going to go ahead and check this out. I have a really cool story, actually, about rugby. My son Zach played rugby at his college, and they were playing against Notre Dame. Notre Dame was short a player, and they needed somebody, so my son's coach asked him to play for Notre Dame, and he scored. And then Notre Dame offered him a full paid scholarship to the university. But he didn't take it. Nope, he did not take it. And you won't believe why. For the love of a girl. Yep, he decided to stick around. And guess what? He married her. And all is well. So yeah, we have the rugby player. Pretty nifty looking outfit. I like how they've got his skin a bit bloody, or no, it's not bloody, it's muddy, because it's a pretty muddy sport. Kind of right there with football, but I think rugby is a little bit more dirty. Here's his face, close up. You got the little dirt patch. And then he wears a, oh, we got two beards. Cool. I like it when we get extra pieces. So in case you haven't been an avid watcher of our channel, we just recently moved from Virginia to Florida. So that's where our videos are beginning to take place. I think this is going to be the second video I have made here in Florida. Here's his hair. Whoops. And I kind of have problems with this. I don't have a very good grip right now. My hands are extremely dry, and there's just no gripping anything. I need a little bit of sweat or something on my fingers. Cool, there we go, we got him. Very nice. Let's move this other beard out of the way, and whoops, a little more out of the way. And then here's the rugby ball. Basically a football. And then I guess this is his water bottle? Or alright, here we go. Move this back. And so I'm really hoping for this guy right here in the front. That warrior. Does anybody know what kind of warrior that is? Because I don't. Leave a comment below. Let me know. Of course, if I get a duplicate of one I've already got, that's part of the game. That'll be okay. Oh, it's the vampire. Well, that's not such a bad thing because he's got that rubber coat. And people are using that rubber coat for other things, and that's fine by me. I like it. Okay, yeah, so we got another vampire. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, and that, guys, is the end of this video. So hope you liked this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Also, you can follow us right on Instagram at playmo.af. I so badly want to say happy holidays, but I know you guys are going to be watching this after the new year. So I hope everybody had a great new year, and we'll be seeing you guys very soon regardless. Thanks a lot again for watching, guys. We will see you very soon. Bye-bye.